Good morning, YouTube. This is legit take 4 today. I finally have my screencast-o-matic settings correct, and I finally have my volume correct and tested, and my new mic all set up. So hopefully sound will come through better than it did with the actual laptop mic. I'm hoping, of course, it is allergy season, almost 24/7, but especially this time of year for me. Wind's blowing all these pretty little flowers everywhere, so there you go. Okay, so this morning I had originally started recording a video that turned out to be 27 minutes long because this and that, so I decided to actually redo the video because I know you guys don't want to watch me going through figuring out why the KDP covers that have been announced as KDP ready were not KDP ready. So there you go. You have that too. So even though things may say KDP tested and approved, doesn't always mean it's KDP tested and approved. Because it took a long time for me to actually get to, I'm going to show you guys where I am in the uploading to the KDP platform today. I'm going to show you how to get there. And then I'm also going to share with you, as promised, my KDP earnings. Not doing that to brag, they're nothing, amazing, but this is my second full month on KDP. It takes time to get there, but you can do it. So here we go, let's dive right in. So I finally actually did make it to this part of my journal, so yay. It took a good while, even with KDP ready covers. I actually went in here and created this. I'll show you kind of the fast track way that I did it instead of me having to go through and edit everything. And even these corners here, I went through and actually changed it to where they're not going to be outside this red margin here, because you want everything to be in your margins, but that's a little bit deeper dive into it in the beginning of the video than what I want. So let's go through the steps of doing this. So you're first going to sign into your KDP account if you have one. If you don't have one, it's super easy to go ahead and get it started. And so we are going to go ahead and say create paperback. This is going to be, let's see, we're just going to call it my cat journal. My cute. Let's see. Cat Lover's Journal. There we go. Since the other one's already ready, I'm actually going to be hitting publish of that one and not this one. I just want to show you guys how to do this. You're going to come through here and put your name. Yeah, that's me. You're going to come through here and say this is a, however you want to describe it, blank line, 120 page journal, 6x9 size, perfect to throw into your purse or backpack, or even your bedside table. I don't know. Something cute there. Perfect. A perfect gift. For okay, something like that. And then you can embellish if you want to and keep on going. I just keep everything plain and simple like I tend to do. I don't like fluff, don't do fluff. No fluff here. I did find in my research and everything that sometimes a very basic word descriptions are going to work and get evergreen traffic for you. Evergreen traffic can be very hard to drive, and the ads are not cheap. I did play around with it. They're not for me. I don't really like doing the ads. I don't like spending the money before I make the money, and you will very easily if you're going to drive enough traffic in the very beginning. But anyway, it can be done. We've got a journal, women's journal, gift, teen journal, gift for women, blank line journal, cat journal. So this guy, I'll show you guys the inside here in a little bit. It's got a cute little kitty cat to walk you through your journaling. Maybe I should have added something like that. Categories describe something that's going to basically describe what the very basics of it is. We've got juvenile fiction, general. Then we can also go into, I think I felt a sneeze coming out, so if I do sneeze, sorry. Fiction, we'll call it art. I know it's a far cry from art, guys. You can put whatever you want to pretty much in there. I've seen all kind of categories, from gift categories, women categories, blah, blah, blah. We're going to say no adult because it's a blank line journal. There you go on that one. Okay, I'm going to say assign me a free KDP ISBN. You can do your research to see if you want to get the KDP ISBN or if you want to go, outside of KDP and grab an ISBN for free outside of KDP for different theories of what you want to do. The live date will take a few days for them to approve, even the basics. We're going to leave this as black and white interior with white paper, 6x9. We're going to upload the manuscript I've already downloaded. I'll show you where I downloaded it from. Cute cat line journal. That's the cover. Or that thing. That's not the cover there, so we'll go ahead and grab that. Not that I'm grabbing the right thing. Sorry guys, I know allergies. I know I say that a lot, but if you live in Georgia, you will understand. I've already made the cover, already went through that. And it was this one here that I downloaded. We'll grab the second one though. Usually I'll take the time and rename the journal PDF as well. Journal cover PDF, should I say. I'll show you too in Canva how you can quickly make one. You can actually go to Book OW and get your measurements that you need to create, and then you just grab this little template here. It's free, and unless you want to donate money to them, it makes it very easy for you to donate. It's 120 pages. Leave that blank. You can get it there too if you want. I just leave it blank. I've already got the template. I'll just email it there since I'm not going to go check. But then you just say, make sure that you go ahead and say, maybe next time, unless you want to donate to Steve at bookow.com. Maybe you do, I don't know. Tells you to go check your email. You want to go and grab your PNG from it. Go to Canva. You can come over here and upload it right here. I've already got it here for time's sake. And then I can say add a page to make this the background. If you have your little cover, and like I said, I've already done the hard work, you can go through and grab whatever you want to. I got these cute little commercial use rights images from Etsy. And just say paste, because like I said, I've already done all the measuring, and it took it the way I had it, so we're going to leave it at that. But what you really want to do is you want to have it to these little lines there. And then you want to make your spine. You can quickly and easily make a spine just by going to Elements. I tried doing this from beginning to end. It was 27 minutes of agony. When I know, not like agony unless you just want to hear me ramble for 27 minutes. I know you like me and everything, but hey, you just want to put a little box up here. You can make it match a little bit better than that by coming down here. It's actually up there as well. You can come over here and grab whatever color. I think that's what I used originally. Or even that color. That one does match a little bit better, so we can go with that one. Yeah. I kind of like that one still. But anyway, you can grab whatever covers you want to. You can just do the letter, click on the letter T for text. In case you don't know this part of Canva. I live in Canva, quite honestly, a lot. And just put journal there, and then that way you don't have to do it on the spine. Did I leave off the L? No, I did not. If you want to do it in that one, you can. Just make that the same color. And then you want to make your spine right here line up, everything. That one's not perfectly aligned, but I'd already played around with it enough, and this one actually was perfect dimensions, because what you have is I did go over here. Looks like you made some changes. You're going to quick launch previewer, which is why I have two KDP parts open here for you guys. That one did it quickly, probably because I've already got in. But see, my edges do not go outside the red margin, so yay. Notebook belongs to. I got this from Creative Fabrica. I thought it was very cute. And it is fully tested, I think, pretty much. Like I said at the beginning, you're going to find that even when people say it's fully tested, it's not always fully tested. You can go back to them. Sometimes they care, sometimes they don't. That actually did it perfect with no bleed. I'm still a little bit wishy-washy on the bleed, to be quite honest. I'll change it to bleed because I've been told that has bleed. I'm going to say save and continue, just so I can show you guys how to do it. Yay! Once you get to the... Oh yeah, that's because I already have it over here. Yeah. I like to go through and just make sure that everything, that you don't have any red marks, so they'll usually tell you what page you do on there as well, but yada yada yada. You can click through and then say approve. Six by 9. Change that, save and continue. See if I get my error message again. What is it talking about on my title? Oh, because I had two different titles. That's why, of course. Because I was trying to get it all set up for you guys. Okay, I don't know. Just gonna call it my journal. As it appears on the cover, okay, it says journal. Change it to journal. Has to match what you have on the cover, apparently. I guess I've been doing that all along and not knowing, because I have plenty of journals loaded up, as you guys will see after we get through. We assign that, we have that, 6 by 9 bleed. Those are checked, so we are good there. Really, I gotta do it again. Sometimes it gets very finicky through here. Just keep on going and change whatever it tells you to change. We'll just do it just so it sees that I did it. Creative Fabrica. Search for 120-page cat line journal if you want to, or just line journal. But just to go finish going through this for you guys here. I'm sure you can figure that out. Your printing costs, if you want to order author copy, you're going to pay at least $2.29. Sometimes it's funny about how it charges. For these kind of journals, I'm usually at the $5.50 mark, or $6.50 sometimes. As long as I'm making $1, you can try to go up to $6.50. It's not going to sell much more than that, because that's what others are going for. I did actually go through there and actually do some research on the prices, titles, sizes, etc. So do yourself a favor and do that as well. And yay, this is where you want to get to. Alright, so my very cute cat journal is up. I'm not going to try to do the ebook format of that. Now we're going to dive right into what you guys have been hanging out for. We're going to look at the stats. In April 7th through May 7th, I told you May's been slow. April, we've got about 3, 5, some days are 2, there's 4. That's all evergreen, so that's pretty decent there. So far, $41 on that month. If we go to the previous month, it did not change. We're just going to go ahead and say last 90 days. There was a day I sold 10. That was a little flowery journal that I sold 10 of. We got coloring books. Easter books sold really well. Kids' coloring books have sold really well. We are at $90.95. Once you hit 100, you get your first payout of KDP. So we're getting close. Go order some books, y'all. Go type in my name and you can get my pretty little journals. I'll show you the one that sold 10 really quick here. That will show in review. That one, it's super cute. I had a lot of fun making it. You can actually get the free version off my PLR website. Yes, I'm going to do a self-promote real quick here. My PLR toolkit. And actually I have it free. Let's see if I can figure it out since we have it here. There's a different freebie. But I do have it listed. I will find the link and leave it for you guys down below since I cannot find mine. Let's give it one last shot here. I'll just leave the link down below for you guys. Oh, here we go. That's not actual download anyway. We'll get off of that one really quick there. So I will leave the link for you guys to get the freebies below. If you want the PLR version, I'll leave that. If you want the regular version, that's just got your private, your personal use rights to it. That is going to be on the unpopularmom.com. And we're scrolling. You're going to go down here to my blog part here. Still working on my freebie page, but you can go here. This one here is your personal use. If you just want to print it out, it's got the actual prompts. You can read the blog part if you want to. Scroll down here, get your freebie. Yeah, it really does have personal use and commercial use rights because I did do a commercial use one as well. I'll leave both links for you guys down below. I know it's been a long video, you guys, but we did actually get the journal published. I did completely do a complete transparency with you guys. How many times have I said complete there? But I just wanted to share. So you guys have a great, wonderful weekend. Thank y'all. Have a good day. Bye.